HTML is not a programming language. But wait, it is used to create a website. Then why it is not considered as a programming language? Let's understand this with a real life analogy. Imagine you have a robot. If you tell it move forward, then it moves forward. If you say turn left, then it turns left. If you say pick up the box, then it picks up the box. Here you are giving the robot instructions and robot follows them. That's what programming language does. It lets you give the instruction to the computer so it knows what to do. For example, take a programming language Java. In Java, you can write the instructions like add two numbers, check if the number is even or odd, repeat something multiple times. Here, the computer is actually doing something based on your instruction. It can make the decision, perform the calculations, and repeat the task. That's why Java is considered as a programming language because it tells the computer what to do. Now imagine you don't give the robot any instruction. Instead, you simply describe it. For example, you say, this robot has two eyes, this has two arms, this has two legs. Did the robot do anything? No, you only described what robot does. HTML works exactly the same way. It doesn't tell browser what to do. Instead, it describes the web page. This is heading, this is paragraph, this is button. HTML is simply describing the structure of the web page. It doesn't perform any instructions like calculation, decisions, and repeating tasks. That's why HTML is not a programming language. A programming language gives instruction to perform actions. On the other hand, a markup language is used to describe the structure and the layout of the content, not to perform the action. And HTML only describes the content and structure of the web page. And that's why HTML is called as a markup language, not the programming language. But then wait, what about CSS? Let me know in the comment section if you want me to create another video about the CSS. That's it for today's video. Follow my channel for more such videos.